June 13, 2025, Israel launched a major preemptive strike against Iran in what it calls Operation Rising Lion, a historic escalation in the long-standing Israel-Iran confrontation. So let's understand what really happened. Under Operation Rising Lion, early on June 13th, the Israeli Air Force and Mossad targeted approximately 100 sites across Iran. These included nuclear enrichment facilities, most notably in Natanz, as well as military bases, missile infrastructure, and residences of senior commanders. Iran confirmed the deaths of at least 3 top military leaders, including Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Hossein Salami, plus several nuclear scientists. So if you ask why Israel attacked the Iran first, their answers are they attacked to prevent nuclear threats. So basically they attacked a nuclear-enriched facility to prevent nuclear threats. Israel justified Iran had reportedly enriched uranium to around 60% purity, close enough to weapons grade to raise alarm. This is also linked to the violation of agreements. The IAEA, UN nuclear watchdog, officially declared Iran non-compliant with its non-proliferation obligations, the first such declaration in 2 decades. Israel's strike was also an attempt to remove key military and scientific leadership, seen as directing Iran's nuclear and missile ambitions. So in response, Iran launched around 100 drones toward Israel. Many intercepted mid-flight over Jordan, Syria, Saudi Arabia, and Israel. Iran's foreign minister and supreme leader Khamenei also called the Israeli attack a declaration of war, vowing harsh response, vowed severe retaliation. He also vowed that Iran's revenge will be painful, and a top commander warned that the gates of hell will open for Israel. This creates global alarm. Countries worldwide, from the US to the EU, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and others, urged restraint and de-escalation. Also, this leads to regional ripple effects, airspace shutdowns, and rising oil prices, plus 7 to 11%, and market volatility. So after all this happening, Israel claims it will continue strikes until the perceived nuclear threat is neutralized. So what can we say? 2 bitter enemies are now openly trading blows, inching toward all-out war. It's a pivotal moment that could reshape the Middle East, and everyone is watching anxiously to see what comes next.